Joe Weather here. So today there's a severe outlook for Oklahoma, Texas, southern, western Arkansas, western so it's also Louisiana, and in Texas there is a chance for tornadoes. That's why there's enhanced risk right here. Site risks, there could be a few tornadoes. Manual risk is basically can't rule out a tornado, but usually this is the area that not much tornadoes happen, and even sometimes no severe weather happens in this area. But general thunder right here doesn't mean severe weather won't be here. Happened before, can happen again, and this whole map changes on a daily basis. So this is the county map, so you could choose anywhere that you want to. Like, there's also a blizzard warning in South Dakota, and winter storm warning, flood watch, winter advisory, has the hazardous weather outlook. Back to the severe storm outlook and watches. There's a tornado watch until 10 p.m. Central Time. Severe thunderstorm watch until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. There's a severe. Oh, it was dropped. Okay. There's a tornado watch. Also, I could totally see this being more tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch. This is currently heading into Texas right now as I speak. Okay, now tropical tidbits. So this is right now. So as you could see, oh, actually that's way long. Get back there. Okay, just I was on the Canadian model for a sec. Sorry about that. So this is where the severe weather will happen, right here. And there's a blizzard up here. The pressure is 995. That's a blizzard. Pretty bad storm. And the rain heads towards us. And then this is way out until next week, subject to change. And no. So southern New England would probably get rain. Northern New England, probably ice, a little bit of freezing rain, maybe sweet, but it's mostly a rain event. Okay, so now let's check micro scale. This will show how bad the severe. So as you can see, there will be a Boeing segment right here in Texas. This is probably going to be damaging winds mostly, and a lot of rain. I won't be surprised if there's hail. And this line goes through Texas and until Friday. This storm will also be pulling out moisture from Gulf of Mexico and rain on northeast. And that's about it. I'll be back for another video tomorrow.